Okay, so we're asked to consider the following code segment assuming that A is greater than 0. So the int A, the value is not shown, but we know that it's going to be some positive number. And then int B, we're going to take that value of A, which is a positive number, and we're going to add math.random times A, cast as an integer. We're going to add that to A. So looking at our formula for integer, random integer generators, down here, here's my cast as an int, max minus min plus 1 times math.random plus the minimum will get me a random integer between the min value and the max value inclusive on both sides. So if I substitute in the A for that minimum, because in my int B, A is being added there, and A is being multiplied times math.random before it's cast as an int. So this is also equal to A. So to find the range of values, I'm going to solve this equation where A is equal to the max minus the min, and my min we said is A plus 1. So to solve for max, I'm going to add A to both sides and subtract 1. So the maximum value of this random integer generator is going to be 2A minus 1. So this is 2A minus 1 inclusive. And the minimum value in the range, the lower bound, is A. And that is also inclusive. So this int B expression is going to have a range of values. It's going to select a random integer from A to 2A minus 1 inclusive. So looking at our choices, right, it definitely can't be A or C. B is a random integer from 0 to A minus 1 inclusive. It's not going to be that one because we added A. The lower bound is not 0. Then we have a random integer between A and 2A inclusive. That's not going to work because we're casting as an integer. We have to subtract 1 and it becomes inclusive. So that leaves D as our answer. A random integer between A is the lower bound and 2A minus 1 is our upper bound, both bounds inclusive.